Without the medallion piece here, it would just come with the gray. So that's what the wall tile is going to look like in Cindy's bath.
Great.
And so we need to find a floor that coordinates with that. And that's probably one of the closest tiles that follows that same style with the gloss level.
I like that. I like the way that blends.
This was on the spreadsheet.
Yes, it is.
I was printing like
That's
all
the
these pages
original.
last night for my notebook, for my web.
We've got that written down for master bath and bathroom 2 floors with this color for master bath walls and bathroom 2 walls also.
Okay, now what is the color of the shower walls?
Master, we have beige walls. We have the Noche shower tiles. We have bathroom floors. And what was it? That was it. And then the corner shelves made out of the travertine.
And all of the shower is going to be laid
horizontal brick lay.
Yep.
Just like the picture that she had on the camera
That's
there,
nice.
and also the one on the spreadsheet.
Yep.
All showers are brick lay?
Yes, horizontal brick lay.
Looks really nice.
And then the lanai and laundry is this guy.
The green, is that tile there, the presidential springwood with the grout color which we selected, which I believe was malt on that one.
I believe so.
Yep, and
Then that for the man cave.
yes, man cave, main living area, and I believe, yes, we held that grout up to this, and this was chamois, and we also did it with this, correct? I believe we checked the chamois to make sure it worked for both. So good.
Yeah.
And then what was her grout was silver.
Silver, yes, it was. Sure was, and I believe that covers everything. That is everything that's on this plan here, highlighted and all. It looks great.
All right, JP,
Got a lot
done good.
All right.
Good job, JP.
So, in and out of here, record timing, huh?
A plus for
guys. Good
JP.
deal.
A plus for JP.
All your help ahead of time.
Wait.
Yeah, you fooled me.
Well, I didn't know you were going up high, so.
Neil always goes up high.
You know what? The Cambridge does sound right.
Right,
It sounds like
the Cambridge glass. So that was the glass.
Yep.
And it was in the classic craft, which is
Yeah, classic oak.
classic oak.
Yeah.
Should be Cambridge.
It was that one right there.
door actually does work, right? The
Yeah,
door
but
opens.
it's, one door is active all the time, but then you have to actually open this door, pull the head bolt,
there's
pull the foot
pins.
bolt. and-
This is our first time at the rodeo.
6-panel door. Okay, these are the 6-panel masonite doors. And this is a standard trim, which is a 2 1/4 colonial casing,
Okay.
which is what they normally use.
Okay.
Now there are upgrades to wider casings and stuff like that, Howe casing and stuff, which I'll show you. But this is their standard door right here. 6-panel masonite, has a wood grain, paints up really nice.
All right, thank you, John.
Thank y'all very much.
You're good.
Thank you.
Man,
All right.
Appreciate it,
He's
guys.
the man.
a buffer to the setback.
Okay.
I just want to make sure that you stay, you know.
It's 25.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. And location of pump and filter.
This is how long?
It's 44 feet. This lanai is 44 feet.
Nine down the same level.
42.
Well, they're going to have a propane storage tank here above ground. And can you put the pool filter on this side?
Top left
Ash?
brings
amber.
that color in the middle tile. Also tile on the right hand side, I can see that color.
So you can see amber and you can see ash.
See what I'm saying? This color here is,
Yeah.
you can see it right here too.
Well, it might go with your doors. You do have your doors.
You don't want to go with a, you don't want to go
The light one.
because you can't see them very well.
Can't see them.
Okay, amber?
She's getting really pretty maroon doors.
So this will
Yeah.
be basically that blue trim.
Yes, sir. Yeah, you can see it on the steps.
Yeah. What do you think?
Amber.
Okay.
Let's see what.
And the other one you were looking at was this one.
The more
I
I'm
don't want
thinking
that.
about it. Huh?
You don't want that one, or do you want that?
The more I'm thinking about it, I
I guess I wish you had something like this where it was just a straight down. Well, there's a little bit of a taper to it.
That's called the Jackson. Let me see if I can get the Jackson in that series over there.
If not, I'm thinking we'll probably,
But that's going to be flat now. It doesn't come with a raised.
yeah. Is this a Jackson too?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
That sounds good.
John's on the ball.
He knows he's got it going on.
That style.
We can do that style. And it's right in there, and it's the same budget, so it shouldn't be a problem.
Fantastic. Looking for the hardware.
Here's 0946.
Oh, that wasn't it? Was it over here?
47
It's on this board somewhere. 4.8.
73.
4.8.
Nope, that's 4. It's
Oh, shoot.
Bathroom, because she's got gray on her floor.
okay. Let's go write them down in there.
All right, yay.
Yeah. Oh, that's it. Oh, I'm so glad you wrote those down.
These are the Cambrias. And then these are all Cambria. This is another quartz material. Those are all Zodiac. And I've got other samples in the other room. Full bullnose, rounded top and bottom. Flat polish, real contemporary. This is an upgrade, which is an OG. Kind of a couple little flips there.
All right. Now with the bull nose, okay, I'm just thinking out loud, but with the bull nose, would the water, you know, if there's a spill, just follow it around and go down into the can?
Yeah.
Okay.
Throws that out.
With the, to me, this is,
And that's an upgrade.
And you lose countertop space,
Yep.
even though it's, you know,
Yeah.
still it's an inch.
I'm kind of like the waterfall.
waterfall. Yeah, that was the one I had said I liked the best too, wasn't it?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
So what
Yeah.
is there a price difference?
No, nope, nope, only if you pick that one.
Okay, I
It's
don't.
all included. And the waterfall and the Demi are the most popular. You know, nice little round, doesn't it fight with any other shapes or
Mm-mm.
anything else going on in there?
Plus, it's not the square to where you're going to chip it as easily.
Right,
And this, it's going to keep it from
yep, we'll go straight
flowing down
in.
into your drawers or
Yep,
cupboards.
mhm.
So yeah, waterfall.
Okay, waterfall. So you only have like a 2-inch there and a 2-inch there, which that one you don't even see because the faucet's on it.
Hmm.
And hopefully we can twist that. That looks like it would twist enough to fit on the slab so that that wouldn't have a seam in it.
Okay.
I'm looking.
All right.
Oh, what? I was videotaping.
Are you getting the white spot?
No,
Oh my God,
I was videotaping ears over your head. So you got the bird plan?
Yeah, I got the bird plan in my hand. This is a total project size, 5,600 square feet of total project.
Oh my gosh.
And about 5,000 of that
That's okay. Go ahead.
is under roof. Okay, so
Wow.
they have about 2,600 square feet of living space, including about a 42-foot long
Yeah.
lanai that goes out to a pool right here. Mm-hmm. And then they have huge amount of garage space.
Yeah.
Essentially a 4-car garage with a fully AC'd built-out man cave
Uh-huh.
and an RV garage
Oy vey, Smith.
for their rig.
Oy vey.
And a side pad.
Wow.
So this is a huge, massive, beautiful,
beautiful here.
custom home.
Oh, I love when people walk into their land. Don't you, Neil?
Looks good. They're gonna
It
do a
always
little
makes
exploring.
me. It always makes me happy when I see people walking off into their land,
Imagining
what to
dreaming.
do. Look at that. Oh, that's nice. And what I love is that Holland knows so much about these trees, and he has such an appreciation for the trees and the nature in this area. This is the bird's lot. And look at how pretty this morning is.
Yeah, it's well over half an acre of land.
Look at that sun come up. It's a pretty day here in the neighborhood. Woo, they disappeared. But I hear voices. Oh, that's nice.
It's just great. Hey guys!
Keep waving! Keep waving! Yay! That's a riot. That's adorable. There they are. Oh my gosh. That's too funny, Neil. Gosh, that's a great shot.
Oh, wait a minute. Take safety off.
Squeeze.
There you go. Chick.
Nice, yeah.
Yay!
Pump it. Hit it again.
Knock it off.